From translation to global connection, how AI is changing language strategy. Welcome to Localization News You Can Use, your daily dose of localization know-how. There's a real buzz around evolving strategic approaches to managing language across global operations, and rightly so, because it's pushing us to think far beyond the traditional confines of translation. The core idea driving this shift is a move toward a truly cross-functional approach to language within organizations. Now, this immediately throws a spotlight on some significant hurdles, especially in larger companies where departments often operate in their own little worlds. Breaking down these silos to foster genuine cross functional teamwork is a massive undertaking. It's a bit ironic, isn't it? We bring in technology to simplify things, but often the organizational complexity seems to balloon. We're seeing a fundamental shift where multilingual AI is starting to be understood not just as a tool for translation, but as a powerful engine for streamlining entire processes and automating complex workflows. Imagine being able to truly operationalize all that enterprise knowledge, the insights currently locked away in scattered spreadsheets, email chains, and various bits of corporate data across multiple languages. AI offers a path to harness this often unstructured, non institutionalized wisdom, making it an active part of our processes. When we get a grip on how data should flow, we can then intelligently integrate user intentions. This isn't just about pushing messages out, it's about creating intelligent, responsive communication loops. Companies like Semantics, now part of TransPerfect, are often at the forefront of these discussions, navigating how to implement such encompassing strategies. Of course, this evolving landscape also demands a new kind of leadership. The old hierarchical models are creaking under the strain. What we need now are leaders who embrace curiosity, champion teamwork, and are comfortable admitting they don't have all the answers, relying instead on diverse capabilities within their teams. The exciting part is how these integrated language strategies, supercharged by this broader application of AI, can radically improve the global customer experience. We're moving from simply translating and localizing content to using these sophisticated technologies to genuinely understand customers in their own language, feeding that rich, multilingual data back into product development and service improvement. It's about making communication truly bidirectional. But why stop at bidirectional? The real game changer, the truly mind-blowing opportunity, is the potential for omnidirectional communication. Think about it. One person speaking in English seamlessly understood by someone in Japanese who replies in Japanese, which is then instantly accessible to another colleague in Turkish, all while the original speaker receives the Japanese response in English. This allows us to tap into community-wide conversations, understanding what customers are saying about a brand amongst themselves, not just in direct interactions. It's about moving beyond just translation, because let's be clear, translation itself is an incredibly complex and valuable skill to leveraging language as a strategic asset. When we connect data, language, and decision-making, this holistic approach to language operations stops being just about managing words and starts becoming the connective tissue for global business strategy, solving intricate business problems and closing process gaps well beyond the initial localization task. It's about shifting from being purely output-focused to becoming genuinely insight-driven, allowing companies to truly hear and engage with their global audiences, fostering relationships rather than mere transactions. Thank you for listening to this episode of Localization News You Can Use, your daily dose of localization know-how.